Assalamualaikum friends. So today you will get the knowledge that how to install Python, the latest version, and because of Python is the app through which we can do coding and we can make different websites such as Amazon and many other. So let's start. And first of all we will go in Microsoft Edge, and here we will go in google.com, and here we will write download Python and enter. So the first link www.python.org, we'll click on it and this interface will appear in front of you. So here you can see it is the download the latest version for Windows. So we'll click on download Python 3.10.4. we'll click, and as you can see in the right bottom it has been started downloading. So now it has been downloaded, and now we'll click on open file, and then it will take some time because searching is going on. And here we'll click on install now, and it is installing all the setup processes, all the setup and every coding language is installing inside it. So now the setup is downloaded successfully. So we'll click on close, and we'll click on close. Then we'll minimize this window, and here we'll write Python and Python. It is not coming, so yes, now it has been coming in front of us, Python 64-bit 3.10. so 64-bit is the nice one, so we'll click on open. So it is opened in front of us. So hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.